Magayunon sa tabi ko lang, maugmahon sa...
Are you getting bored on your daily routine? Come on, let's travel to Bicol!
Kainindo malilinawan.
Hi, we're on our way to Bicol. Yan, and our first destination is Albay. Next is Camarines Sur,
Norte,
Sorsogon, Masbate, and Catanduanes. Bye!
Region 5, which is Bicol, has 6 provinces: Albay, Camarines Sur, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Masbate, and Catanduanes. After several days of struggling on the traffic in EDSA, we're finally here in Naiya, and we're going to Legazpi Albay through air. Bye! Welcome to Albay!
One of the famous tourist spots in Bicol is the Mayon Volcano, located at Legazpi, Albay. Albay is called as the land of the most perfect home because of the perfect conical shape of Mayon Volcano. Do you know that Mayon Volcano comes from the word Magayon, meaning beautiful?
Halitikbi sa Albay ang sunod tang tudumanan ang Camarines Sur as in Camarines Norte.
Our next destination is Caramoan Island, that is located at Camarines Sur. This island gives you an adventure that you will enjoy. To enjoy the beauty and serenity of the island, visit it early in the morning. If you want to see the lagoon, climb the limestone.
One of the famous spots in Bicol is the Calaguas Island. This island gives you a breathtaking surroundings. You will experience the powdery white sand.
Halidigdi sa Camarines Norte, malipat man ng gad kita sa Sorsogon gamit ang barko.
Our next destination is the Subic Beach, was located at Magno Sorsogon, known for its white sand, reminiscent of Boracay, but with less crowd, less population, and less commercialization.
Halidigdi sa Sorsogon, malipat man ang gad kita sa Masbate gamit ang barko.
Our next destination is Catandayagan Falls. It was located in island of Icao in Masbate. This destination make it one of the most promising place to visit. The water connects straight into the sea.
Uya na kami digdi sa Birang Catanduanes. Diyos marhay na daw sa Indogabos. Tara na at libutin natin ang Catanduanes.
And our next destination is Maribina Falls. Maribina Falls was located in Catanduanes. It has a crystal clear water made of cascade coming from mountain top.
The Bicolano is very conservative. They believe it is safe to stake in the hole than take a risk in it. The preference for spicy food is that no food is good for them without red pepper and coconut milk. Bicol Express is the one of the famous beach of Bicol.
Kung sisay sa Indo, ang iguang panugan. Sa Piña Francia, Sanong Domingong celebra. Bicolano art is shown in their love songs such as Sarong Pagi, Burak na Magayon, and others. Among the young songs about nature are popular. To the Bicolanos, the ibalon of the story, the heroism, is an important theme. Sa salug kang naga, posisyon maugmang. Pagbilog ng bulan, bulan na Setyembre.
Kan ako sa di pa, sa di ka ka pa man, nagkarawat kita, ning kudut-kudutan, kinudut mo ako, kinudut akaman, ang simbag mo sa luway-luwayaman. Hain ka na baya, kakawat kong madaya, ang kudut na matarong sa kuyang girundong. Hain ka na baya, kakawat kong ginaha, ang kudut-kudutan, hinahanap kong unyan. Bulkan bulusan mayon isaro, nagapungtun.
Bicol language is a mix of Tagalog language and Bicol language. It is mostly speaked in Albay, Camarines Sur, and Camarines Norte.
Beautiful! Magayon! I love you! Malagata ikaw! Good day! Diyos maray na daw! How many? Pila!
Thank you! Diyos mabalos! Pabilin! Pabangan! My name is Allen. Ang ngaran ko ay Daniel. Good morning! Marhay naga!
She's a call, mas